Hello, fellow traders. In this video, I'll talk about the maximum daily drawdown rule. The maximum daily drawdown is calculated based on the equity or balance, whichever is greater when the day changes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The drawdown amount is always fixed, but varies depending on the challenge type. For example, the maximum daily loss for the standard challenge is 6%. This means that if you have an account of 100,000 and at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you have an open position with a floating profit of 2,000, your account equity will be 102,000. With a 6% daily drawdown, the equity cannot drop below 96,000 on the next trading day. If you have an open trade with a floating loss of 2,000 at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, your equity will be 98,000. However, because your 100,000 balance is higher than the 98,000 equity, your daily drawdown limit of 6,000 will be based on the 100,000 balance. This means that the next trading day, your equity cannot drop below 94,000. The same principle applies to the other challenge types, but with different maximum daily loss percentages. For the Royal and Rapid Challenge, the maximum daily loss is 5%, and for the Knights Challenge, it's 3%. It's crucial to remember that violating any of these rules will result in termination of your trading account, and you won't be eligible to move forward with that account. So make sure you know the maximum daily loss for your challenge type and stay within the limits in order to succeed with your trading goals. Good luck with your trading, and until next time!